the presence of our guest speakers, Sir John Andres Sanuan. A round of applause, please.
Ginawa para makapag-franchise sa ibang lugar from Pagadian to Oro.
Very good question actually. Ito yung pinakamagandang question. So, ang secret guys to be able to do a multiple branch even though wala ako dun ngayon but the business is still running. Ang secret lang talaga guys is what we call system. If you have a good business system, you can leave your business alone. Kailangan yung business mo is hindi dependent sa'yo. Hello guys, good morning. Today meron tayong event na pupuntahan. So guest speaker tayo guys. By the way, good morning pala. Guest speaker tayo guys sa isang university. So na-invite tayo guys to give a speech and inspiration also about marketing tsaka branding. So it's a very big university and famous here in Cagayan de Oro. So samahan nyo kami guys. Pupuntahan natin yung university. Hulaan nyo na lang guys kung anong school to. So see you there. Tara. So yun guys, let's go na. Papunta na tayo sa university. So very exciting guys kasi ito yung parang isa sa pinaka-school na gusto ko. Actually, supposed to be, mag-enroll kami ulit dito ng kasama ko, si Vince. Kasi gusto na yung mag-aral ulit. But ito yung nangyari guys. Instead mag-aral kami dun, nabigyan kami ng opportunity to give a speech, to give a seminar, to inspire aspiring entrepreneurs and businessmen sa school na yun. And currently guys, by the way, wala pa tayong tulog because we have this what you call insomnia. Hirap lang makatulog guys nowadays, especially pag ang dami mong iniisip. But mamaya na lang tayo matulog guys after nitong event. So kita-kits guys sa main entrance ng university na yun. Tara! So yun guys, malapit na tayo sa university na yun. So if you're from Cagayan de Oro City, alam nyo na, itong part pa lang na to, makikita nyo na yung streets, pakita mo sa kanila kung ano to. So ito na guys, this is the university na pupuntahan natin yan. Of course, it's the Liceo de Cagayan. So turn tayo guys, merong susundo sa atin dito. Papasok tayo guys, kasi yung invitation hindi natin nakuha kasi sobrang busy natin kagabi and naging busy din yung mga organizers and officers. So yun guys, nakapasok na tayo. Matik na pala kasi natag na nila yung mga security kung ano yung plate number na ginamit natin or anong kotse natin. So, goods lang. Sanay kami sa init. So yun guys, we're already here sa Liceo de Cagayan University. So currently, hinahatid tayo ng mga ushers nila papunta dun sa venue. So tara, samahan nyo ako guys.
Acknowledging the presence of our guest speakers, Sir John Andres Sanuan. A round of applause, please. Entrepreneur and the proud owner of Andres Auto Accessories in CDL, Pagadian, and Zamboanga branch. He is also the founder of Steam Wallet Market with years of experience in building a brand that values quality, transparency, and customers' trust. He's here to share insights on how ethical marketing has shaped his journey and how it can shape yours.
Please join me in welcoming a visionary leader whose work proves that integrity and innovation can drive real success. Mr. John Andres Sanuan with his topic, Truth in Advertising and Brand Responsibility. Please give him the biggest round of applause.
Any one of you knows me here? So may premyo kung sino yung makahula full name ko at current business ko here in Cagayan de Oro. Although nasabi na kanina, first to raise your hand. May 1,000 pesos premyo agad. Sino? Raise your hand. Hindi pwede ang mga officers o host. Anyone? Okay, there. Yung naka-blue, ma'am. Yes. Yes, full name tsaka business here in CDO. Sige, go.
John Andres Sanuan.
Okay, you got the name right. The business.
Andres Accessories.
Yes, correct. Okay. Mamaya claim mo yung prize mo dito sa backstage. Mamaya na. So congratulations. Is John Andre V. Sanuan. So I'm currently the CEO and founder of Andres Auto Accessory Shop. So currently we have 3 branches already guys. First branch was sa Zamboanga City, second was in Pagadian City, and currently pinaka-latest is here in Cagayan de Oro City. I was already a millionaire at the age of 18 years old. So, I started business way back nung nasa 16 to 17 years old ako. Kasi guys, ang story ko is very simple lang. So, noon, I used to crave Jollibee. You're familiar with Jollibee, lahat kayo for sure. So, noon, my parents cannot provide me that food. Yung gusto ko, let's say, minsan gusto ko kumain ng Jollibee and I told them na, Ma, Pa, pwede tayo kumain sa Jollibee? And sometimes, they refuse kasi kulang sa budget. Sometimes gusto ko makita si Jollibee, yung figure ni Jollibee, yung mascot niya, but they cannot provide it. So, kumbaga, nagiging malungkot ako noon that time. So, what inspired me to become a businessman is si Jollibee actually, yung brand na Jollibee. Kasi guys, ang gusto ko lang mangyari is basically, I can eat Jollibee anytime, anywhere. Ganun lang guys. Yun ang nag-inspire sa akin. And little did I know, sa part din ng parents natin, masakit din pala if hindi nila ma-provide yung gusto natin. So, eto guys, next slide please. So, I combined school and business together. So, I switched between school tapos business. So, parang naging minor ko guys si school. By the way, I'm a proud graduate of electrical engineering course sa Western Mindanao State University sa Zamboanga City pa yan, guys. So, again guys, I combined school and business. Naging, minor ko si school, tapos major ko si business. So, ang nangyari guys, my classmates are used to read textbooks, book ng engineering, pang school, while I'm here studying self-help books, tsaka mga business books. So, combining business and school, guys, is very difficult. Kasi you need to find the fine line between the balance of school and business. So, konting background about myself. So, based sa picture na to, ano yung naiisip nyo once nakita ng picture na to? I'll give you time lang muna. Ano yung meaning na tong picture? Wala pang price. Yung ano lang muna, yung meaning lang. Bakit nasa billboards pa rin? Bakit madami pa silang ambassadors? Naririnig nyo pa rin sa radio, sa TV advertisements. Bakit sila andun pa rin? Bakit sila hindi nagsastop? It's because, guys, the secret of marketing is being consistent. Kasi, guys, the problem with small businesses, startup businesses, kapag nag-start na sila magkaroon ng konting sales, what happens next is mag-try sila magtipid. Kukuha sila ng budget sa marketing. Ibubulsa nila. Pangluho or whatsoever. Gusto lang nila mag-save. So that's the biggest problem with small businesses or startup businesses. Nagtitipid sila sa marketing, which hindi dapat ginagawa. Next is they adaptation. So bakit ko nasabi na nakakapag-adapt si Jollibee? Because guys, way back, 2016, nung nag-start pala ako mag-advertising sa Facebook, I saw Jollibee running advertisement sa Facebook already. 2016 guys, sa Imagine. Pioneering stage pa to ni Facebook at saka mga social media platforms. So, Jollibee was already there. They positioned themselves very early in the market. Kasi guys, Jollibee saw the potential of Facebook. Because Jollibee knows, the team marketing of Jollibee for sure, nakita nila where the attention is gonna go the next few years. That's why they position themselves very early. So ano yung guys, ano yung advantage kapag naka-adapt kayo ng very early? Of course, the cost is gonna be very cheap. So way back, let's say, gusto nyo magkaroon ng 1 million followers sa page nyo, sa Facebook, or whatever social media. Ang cost, let's say, maging around 10,000, 20,000, but this 2025, turning 2026 na, sobrang taas na guys. It could cost you 100, 200,000 just to get 1 million followers lang sa social media nyo, or even more. Kasi nga guys, as time goes by, as people getting smarter, people learning to use Facebook ads, ang nangyayari, yung price ng, kumbaga, CPM kasi tawag dyan, cost per messaging or cost per engagement, tumataas yan. Not just 2 times, 3 times, 10 times, or even more pa. So that's what's happening. And next, they are very systematized. Next, we will talk about responsibility. So before ako mag-start dito guys, please raise your hand kung sino yung mga naka-iPhone users dito. Raise your hand, guys. Raise your hand. Higher, please, para makita ko lang. Data collection tayo. Sino naka-iPhone? Wag kayo maiya, guys. Pang-switch ang iPhone, eh. Okay. Next. Mga Android users naman. Lahat na, guys. Samsung, Xiaomi, mga ganyan. Ano yung mas marami, guys? Tingin nyo. Let's first discuss the iPhone. So, guys, because iPhone offers premium and exclusivity. Pag nasa US kayo, guys, for sure, hindi ganun yung raise ng hands. For sure, mas marami yung iPhone. Meron silang tinatawag na premium and exclusivity, and they have their own ecosystem. While, dito naman tayo, guys, sa Samsung, we have this what you call freedom of choice. Meaning to say, guys, pwede kayo mag-download ng third-party applications for free. Pwede kayong mag-crack. Well, this one sa iPhone, guys, lahat ng galaw nyo, lahat ng premium na subscription, kumbaga, kung gusto nyo gamitin yung etong application, merong features na hindi available, kaya nung bayaran. Lahat, guys, kada galaw sa iPhone, bayad. Now, guys, let's discuss the practical and real-life experience of marketing and branding. So, I have around 11 years of experience sa marketing tsaka branding. So, nowadays, we have this, what you call, the marketing, which is the SMM, social media marketing, guys. So, we have these multiple platforms where you can advertise. So, ano ba, guys, yung difference way back noon and ngayon? So, noon, guys, when you want to advertise, let's say you're a startup business, bagong negosyo ka, wala ka pang kapital. So, noon, para mag-advertise ka, kailangan mo ng malaking kapital. Big capital. So, kumbaga, guys, business before is not for everyone. Ngayon, we have this golden era, golden opportunity to become who we want. Kasi, guys, we already have these social media marketing platforms, which are very cheap. Compare nyo, guys, magkano before magpa-advertise sa TV? Sobrang mahal, millions for sure. But dito, guys, with social media marketing, thousands, 1,000, 2,000, that's gonna be good enough for startups. But with TV advertisement before, billboards, sobrang mahal, guys. Or pwede din kayo magbigay ng flyers, yung mag-print kayo ng sobrang dami, but mag-hire pa kayo ng tao para magbigay. The worst thing is hindi nyo alam kung yung tao na yun is binigay sa tao talaga. Maybe tinapon lang sa basurahan. That's the difference between social media marketing and yung dati na traditional. By the way, guys, noon, useful din talaga kapag wala ka talagang budget pang marketing, you can use naman word of mouth. Kasi, guys, word of mouth, the clients will sell for you for free. Pero matagal siya. It takes time. But now, using the social media, you can build your business, guys, sa cellphone nyo lang. Just by using your phone, mabubuhay na yung negosyo nyo. Ganun siya kabilis, guys. Because, guys, marketing is the lifeblood of business. That's the real truth about marketing. Because, guys, ito yan. If you have a good product, good marketing, congratulations, you won. Let's say na lang, pangit yung product mo, your product is shit. Let's say, for example, sorry for the word, but let's say yung product mo is pangit, walang kwenta, but you're good in marketing. Guess what? Makakabenta ka pa rin ng sobrang dami. But the problem with that is, you just sped up the process of people knowing na pangit yung product mo. So sooner or later, downfall ka pa rin. So in order for you to establish a good business, you must have both good business, product, at saka good marketing. So next. Now, look at these brands. We have here Chanel, Hermes, Louis Vuitton, Dior. Now, let me ask you this question. Bakit yan yung gamit yung bag? Bakit yan yung gamit mong damit? Bakit naka-iPhone ka, naka-Samsung? Bakit yung gamit mong sapatos? Why? It's because branding. Now, let's say we have, compare natin yung dalawang object. We have this bag na tag 1,000 pesos. Yung typical na bag, yung nakikita nyo sa mall. 1,000, 2,000, ganyan. And we also have this luxury bag, which costs around 100, 1 million yung iba. Bakit binibili pa rin ng tao na sobrang mahal? Bakit binibili pa rin ng mga mayaman? Quality? Bakit ginagamit pa rin ng mga mayaman or bumibili pa rin sila ng sobrang mahal na produkto? Even though, ano ba yung purpose ng bag? Is to carry things. But how come they would spend millions of pesos dito sa bag na to, where in fact, they can just use this one. It's because of brand. Now, branding, guys, ano ba yung nagagawa ng branding sa atin? Guys, branding does, what does branding does to our personality or sa pagkatao natin? Guys, what branding does to us is we love the image we can get if we're using that bag, if we're using that shoes, shirt, phone. That's what does to us. Kaya we are in love with brands. Sino ba naman gusto dito bumili ng hindi branded nowadays? Let's be honest. Wala na masyado. Except kung practical ka talaga. So nowadays, guys, branding is very, very important. Kasi guys, kung maganda yung brand mo, you don't even need to sell. Kasi guys, etong mga brand na to, nagdo-door-to-door sales pa sila. Di ba? Hindi. So, if you have a good brand, if you have established a very good brand, a strong foundation of branding means easy sales, easy conversion. That's how it works. Now, ito naman mga logo na to. We have Ferrari, Rolex, Lambo. Now, let me ask you this question, guys. Sino yung mga nakapag-try ng MLM dito? Multi-level marketing, raise your hand. Yung mga nakapag-try. Guys, ang secret ng mga multi-level marketing professions o yung mga nag-multi-level marketing dyan is yung kotse nila. Kasi guys, kanino ka ba makikinig? Sa mga, example, mag-join ka ng multi-level marketing. Sa taong nag-join pa lang na wala pang kotse? Or dito ka sa mentor na may kotse na tapos naka-Rolex, naka-B's na guys. Kanino ka makikinig? Kay A or kay B? Di ba kay B? Of course, kasi siya yung, kumbaga, branded na siya, guys. Complete package na. Conclusion and key takeaway. So, again, guys, if there's one thing I would like you guys to mag-ibaon nyo sa talk na to, or sa speech na to, seminar na to, it would be that marketing, guys, is all about consistency and you should, guys, be strategic when doing marketing. Branding is what separates you from other brands or businesses. So guys, if you want to establish, for example, magbi-business ka na soon, kailangan lang talaga guys is ma-separate mo yung self mo from other brands. Let's say you want to build a business na pang cheap lang, pang masa. Or let's say you want to build a luxury brand. If you want to build a luxury brand, kailangan yung logo mo maganda, simple lang. And then yung mga packaging mo, kulay black. Kasi guys, color also does help sa branding. So yun lang guys. And finally, my message to you guys is to live a life you will guys be remembered. So yun lang guys.
Ayan, maraming salamat sir.
Paano mo siya gusto gawin? Ipa-expand yung marketing mo? Your question is not that very specific. Pero for example, if you want to expand your marketing, of course, mag-start naman talaga tayo guys sa maliit lang muna na budget. Kasi guys, di tayo pwede bumili kaagad ng let's say TV advertisements if you're startups. It's not that practical. So of course, start ka muna sa small and then use multiple platforms. Yan ang pinaka number 1 na advice ko. Use multiple platforms. Use everything. Kasi tapos you can also use this what you call the social media influencer marketing. It's very, very cheap right now. Ito guys, yung kumbaga i-message yung mga sikat na TikTokers or Facebook vloggers, tapos sabihin nyo kung pwede nila i-endorse itong product nyo or brand nyo. It will be very, very cheap and fast.
Good morning, sir. I was wondering if a reputation and branding is synonymous.
When it comes to, let's say, meron kang big brands, di ba dati before nagkaroon ng issue si Jollibee, yung may naluto na towel ata yun if I can remember it correctly. Na-notice nyo guys, hindi naman sila nasira. Jollibee is still alive until this day.
Ano ko yung question? About sa mong accessory shop, ano mo ginawa para makapag-franchise sa ibang lugar from Pagadian di Oro? Kasi may family owned sa auto shop also. So, may balak kami mag-franchise sa ibang lugar pero di namin nagawa. Instead, nag-invest na kami ng mga lupa. So, gusto pa namin, hanggang ngayon gusto namin mag-franchise sa ibang lugar. So, magtanong na ako, paano mo ginawa? Paano naging...
Okay, gets. It's a very, very good question actually. Ito yung pinakamagandang question. So, ang secret, guys, to be able to do a multiple branch, even though wala ako dun ngayon, but the business is still running. Ang secret lang talaga, guys, is what we call system. If you have a good business system, you can leave your business alone. Kailangan yung business mo is hindi dependent sa'yo or sa family mo. Kailangan kaya na mag-operate without you. It can grow, it can operate, merong certain protocols para kahit wala ka dun, your business will run smoothly. So yun guys. And also swerte din siguro kasi of course, wala pa akong family. I can go anywhere I want for now. So kumbaga guys, while we are still young, start doing much more risk. Kasi sooner or later, kapag may family na kayo guys, hindi na kayo pwede mag-risk ng sobrang taas. Kasi you have what is called family. So while bata pa kayo guys, wala pa kayong pamilya, meron na kayong mama and papa nyo to support, sister, brother, mag-massive risk na kayo guys while you are very, very young pa.
So ayan.
Morning, 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 morning.
Nalagay mo ang kaya, sir. Nalagay discount, sir, kung mag-next
Ma'am, thank you talaga ma'am. Kasi I really appreciate it ma'am. Like daming ibang options pero ako talaga napili niya.
A round of applause, please.
Marketing seminar with the
Guys, that is it. Tapos na yung ating seminar, yung speech. It was a very, very successful event. Sobrang haba din. Medyo tumagal din si attorney sa part niya. Yung sa akin, guys, na-short ko lang kasi medyo na late na yung start. But again, guys, it was a very, very successful seminar. And again, thank you sa lahat ng mga organizers. And especially to the people na nag-invite sa akin. They chose me despite ang daming options na pwede namang ibang speakers. Pero ako yung pinili talaga. So again guys, thank you very much. Thank you very much Liceo de Cagayan University.